Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ready to organize your work in ClickUp? In this video, I'll walk you through setting up your first workspace using the free plan. First, go to ClickUp.com and sign up for a free account using your email. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to create your workspace. This is your company or team's main hub. Give it a name, like your business name or My Projects. Now, ClickUp will ask you about your role. Select the option that best fits, like Project Manager or Freelancer. This helps tailor some suggestions. The next step is to choose your first project type. Pick something like marketing or personal tasks. ClickUp will automatically create a pre-built space for you with sample lists and tasks. Let's explore this space. On the left sidebar, you'll see your space name. Inside it, there's a folder. And inside that are lists filled with example tasks. Feel free to delete the example tasks and rename the lists to what you actually need. Like to do, in progress, and done. Now you're all set. You've created your ClickUp workspace and can start adding your real tasks and projects. If you get your workspace set up, let me know what you're using it for in the comments. See you in the next one.